Hello everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a best WCT1 series wall mounted range hood. And what we're going to be taking a look at is how to get up into this user interface area if you ever have to replace the switch or an LED light. The first thing that you should do is make sure the power is turned off to this unit. Anytime you go inside the unit to clean it or to service it, always make sure the power is turned off. Secondly, what you would do is you would remove the grease filters. The grease filter has a finger hole, and if this were mounted, this is sitting on a table obviously, if this were mounted, you'd stick your finger in and you'd push down and drop the front of the filter. And that's the first one. Do the same thing to the second filter. Push down, drop the front down. What we're going to do here to get at this unit, you're going to have to remove the left side trim and the right side trim. And you do that basically the same way as you did the filter, but you're just going to grab hold, push down, and drop the front down. They pop right out. To remove this panel, there's 5 screws that we're going to be removing. We're going to start by removing this screw here and this screw here. So one on the left, one on the right, and I'm going to go ahead and start that. And that's 2. The next screw that we're going to remove is the electrical box cover screw, and it'll be located right here. And this electrical box cover would come right out. The next 2 screws will be located, and I don't believe you'll be able to see it under the camera, but there's one here and there's one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and get that removed as well. And if you wanted to, you could unplug this. I mean, this is just a quick connect and just pull down. Or you can unplug this one. Again, this is a quick connect. Just pull straight out. I'm going to go ahead and get this last screw here removed. Alright. So I have that removed. So this basically is tied in. You can kind of see the tabs, and this whole nose area will drop straight down, and that's all it is. Now you have access to the LED lights. The LED lights are quick connects. The switch assembly, they're squeeze tabs, and the switch will push right out. And again, everything is plug and play on this unit. So very simple to get up in there if you ever need to repair something. So I hope this video helps.